how to reset Duolingo password. So let's get started. So if you want to reset your Duolingo's password, then what you can do is to simply open up Duolingo. And after opening up your Duolingo application, now what you can do is you will find a human face icon which is on the bottom of your screen. So this is your profile, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. And after tapping on your gear icon, now you can find your password over here. So now in order to change your password, what you can do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, now you can change your password. So now in order to change your password, you have to enter your old password in the first blank, enter the new password in the second blank, and in third blank you have to re-enter the same password to confirm it. So just simply enter your password. So after entering your old password and resetting your new password, what you can do is just simply tap on save. And after tapping on save, you will successfully save your password and change it. So now what you can do is again tap on save, which is on the top right, and after doing that your changes will be successfully be saved. So in this way you can also change your password in your Duolingo account. So that's it guys, this is how to reset Duolingo password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.